This is our Triple E 174 project. This is Marcos,
Elias.
Sargel, and final project right here for our PowerPoint. This is it starting up right now. Let's just show you how it goes when we start it up. There it goes.
So our baseline temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So once we get to 32 degrees, you see it says 1875. So our signal right here, our servo motor is
Reading up from
reading up, saying that it's a
It's
cool
below-
temperature.
It's below our baseline. So if it's below our baseline, this is our base flag. We're going to keep this standing up. It's going to be perpendicular
And
to
our
it.
temperature is rising once we put more heat towards the sensor.
Once it gets above 32 baseline, the LEDs are going to start lighting up as well. And then this flag is going to rise up. And the baseline flag is going to go down. This is a real life example of a system. If it gets overheated, you're getting alerted by this flag right over here.
And the lights.
And the lights as well. Let's do it one more time to show you guys. See the temperature going up?
87
degrees. LEDs burn up. It goes back down after it gets cooled down. Now we're guys gonna show you the PowerPoint. We'll show you one more time actually, so you guys get one more.
More good look at it.
So that's the temperature sensor right there. The LCD, LEDs. Got the breadboard all together. One servo motor, two servo motors. So as you can see, the temperature is going up. Now we're gonna show you our PowerPoint. So this is our final project. To start off, we have servo motors. So I made two servo motors to function for each flag. Each servo motor, as I said before, is a white flag or a red flag, and it shows what is going to be displayed. If the system is overheating, the white flag is going to go up. If it's under the baseline temperature, the base flag is going to go up. I did attach it to a popsicle, and I used just a basic little cloth for a flag. Also, continuing from this, the flags have LEDs attached to the breadboard. LEDs light up in sequence with one another, and it shows and indicates that if the system is heating up or not. So we have a limit set, which is our baseline temperature of 32 degrees.
So now we're talking about the sensor that I used. Oh, the LED.
Yeah, you good.
The sensor that I used the LM35, and with that, I mean, I'm reading the temperature, so I had to create a code to with the Arduino program to read the temperature in the environment, and with that, I tied it to the LCD display. So once the temperature was given, I created another section of the code to display it on the LCD, as you've seen before. And then I also used the 10K potentiometer because it's like a resistor type of to control the LCD's brightness and.
Potentiometer right over here. In the schematic, there is two servo motors, LEDs, three LEDs, an LM sensor, an LCD display, and a 10K potentiometer. Due to the time constraints and the cost of materials, we decided to be inexpensive and use a time-efficient model. So we did use two pieces of wood for the base, 1, 2. And then we did use one breadboard for the circuitry, and then two smaller pieces of wood for the servo motors to attach them on. And then we used a lot of duct tape as well.
Alright, so as for my part, what I did is after building the actual project was completed, I wanted to upload everything onto a website through my Raspberry Pi. We gain our data from our serial monitor of our Arduino and transfer that to our Raspberry Pi, which led to the information being placed onto the website. I could show you a little. You can see here a customized Raspberry Pi, and you notice that there's some command lines that came along with in order to obtain our goal. We did a little example on here where we did a little sketch on we wanted to print hello onto a certain port that we needed, and so in order to do that, we obtained from Arduino. So once we got that, we then copy and paste the data onto a text file, and we posted it into this little website link that I created. And once I did that, I clicked it here, and you see it's right here, the text file. Once I upload it into there, and you notice that we see that the
Everything from the
server monitor was updated. That's pretty much it.
So that's our final project, and thank you for watching.